Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a full face of first impressions today. I'm super excited about it. I've got loads of stuff to try out. I've got two of the brand new 24/7 Shadow Moondust single shadows from Urban Decay. I've got some new Jaclyn Hill cosmetic stuff. I've got this new primer from Wet n Wild. Loads of others. So we're going to do that today. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun videos and reels and posts and stuff over there. So if you do follow me, thank you so much. But let's get into this makeup. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm gonna actually do is just put on a little bit of lip gloss. I picked up one of these from ColourPop. It's the Roller Gloss. It's in the shade Strawberry Kiss, and it just looks so cute. Like, these roller glosses literally remind me so much of my childhood, like from the 90s. Oh my goodness, and look, it's got a little roller ball on the end. It's so freaking cute. So here's that. I just wanted to go ahead and put this on just to give my lips a little bit of color. Next, I'm actually gonna go ahead and go into this primer right here. It is the Impossible primer. It's a silicone primer, but apparently it is good for oily skin, dry skin, normal skin. So we shall see. And it does look just like kind of like the Tarte Putty primer or the Benefit Professional. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in right here. It feels kind of wet. So like whenever you rub it in, and it kind of has like a wet feeling. So maybe that is meant for kind of hydration. I don't know. It feels nice though. It does feel good. It has like a cooling sensation to it, like a cooling feeling. So there's that. I don't have a new foundation to try today, so I'm just gonna quickly put on some foundation. I think I'm going to use my Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation today. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna apply this. I'll be right back. I love this foundation so much. It's not okay. I love it so much. Anyways, so that is on now, and I am going to go ahead and just do a little bit of concealer. I don't have a new concealer to try out today either, so I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. Also, don't mind the horrific fake tan on my hands. I forgot to wash my hands after applying my fake tan, so just pretend that it looks real good and that you don't see it. Thanks. Alright, so there's that, and now let's go ahead and actually jump in to this Jaclyn Hill bronzing and blush palette right here. So these sold out very quickly at Ulta, and I wasn't able to get the correct shade. I think this one will do fine, but we'll just kind of see. But here's what the packaging looks like. It's very pretty packaging. It's really thick packaging though, so it could be harder to travel with, but it does look very nice. It looks like Jaclyn. It's very Jaclyn-esque, and then I like how you open it and the product is just kind of just sitting there. I think it looks really nice. Anyways, this is the bronzing and blush palette duo in the shade Lilac Love for the blush and Top Tan for the bronzer. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the bronzer first here. And I feel like, especially now that I have kind of a tan, I feel like this bronzer is not going to work. I've been doing like some fake tan stuff, so I feel like I definitely need a deeper shade. The formula feels really soft, like it's not sticking anywhere that I don't want it to. It feels like it's blending well, but to be honest, I can't see it. This is my fault. This is not the product's fault. I ordered a shade that was too light, and then I decided to also put fake tan on top of it. So that's why you're not really seeing any kind of bronzer. So I actually, I was able to order another shade. It's like one shade deeper in this. But I don't have it yet, so it's still on the way. I did order from Ulta again, so I will have it within the next couple of days, but I needed to go ahead and film this video now. But when I ordered this, like when I first ordered it, they only had this duo left. All the other ones were sold out, so But the product does feel really soft. Here's just what it looks like swatched. It is quite a light bronzer. I feel like if I had zero tan, this would still be a little bit light for me. It wouldn't be too bad, like it wouldn't be as light as it is right now, but I feel like I would need just a slightly darker bronzer. I do start to see it as I'm building it up, but I have been putting on quite a bit of bronzer, so you can't really see it that well, sadly. We're gonna move on to the blush now, and I'm gonna go into this blush right here. It's kind of like a light dusty pink color with a little bit of purple in there. I can see it. It is, again, very sheer, but it looks pretty, and then it actually does pull more pink than it does purple, which I appreciate. Now that you just have to like pack it on a bit, kind of just like keep applying it. But once you build it up, it's actually a really nice blush color. That's really pretty. Like, that's really pretty. I'm super happy with this blush. I do tend to wear a lot of blush. I love blush. It's like one of my favorite makeup products. So whenever I do wear it, I tend to go a little bit overboard. But I do think this is a really pretty blush color, and it's very nice for spring. It's light, it's airy, it's not too pigmented, but I'm digging that blush a lot. The bronzer, not the bronzer's fault. I ordered a shade too light, but the blush, I'm actually really into, and I really like it. Now I am gonna go into highlight now, and we're going to be using this baby. It is the highlighter. I got mine in the shade Iced. Now, again, this packaging, I like this packaging more than I do this packaging. So here's what this one looks like. It's the same kind of situation. It's basically the same packaging, but I like the gold. It's a little bit smaller. It's still pretty thick. And then the product just kind of sits right in there. I think this packaging is very nice. It is plastic. It's not like super hefty or anything, but just the thought of it is really cool. It reminds me of a very high-end kind of luxury packaging. But look at this highlight, you guys. Woo! Look at that. Bing, 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 bing. Oh my God. Wow. Now, if you want to be blinding for the gods, wear this highlighter, because it's not too dark and it's not too light either. When I look at myself straight on, I don't see like any kind of weird lines. So the highlight is definitely a win. That's a good highlight right there, ma'am. If you like very gentle highlights, if you like very just like natural kind of your skin but better, this is not going to be for you. But if you do like quite a bright beaming highlight, then it definitely would be up your alley. I like both, so some days I want to be like soft and dewy and just and then other days I want to be like glow. Next up, I'm gonna play with some eyes really quick. I have two shades of the Urban Decay 24/7 Moondust shadows right here. I will swatch them both for you. So this one right here is called Glitter Rock. They're both very pretty. And then this one right here is called Space Cowboy. See, they're both really beautiful, like absolutely stunning. Like, I have to say, I genuinely think this is one of my favorite things Urban Decay has ever come out with. Just in my opinion. I am going to take Space Cowboy right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop this all over the lid. I'm not even going to do a transition shade just because I want to focus directly on these single shadows, and I just think you don't need a transition. Like, hello? It's just too beautiful, and it makes your lids look wet and just juicy. Makes your lids look juicy. But you know what I mean? It just looks so beautiful and just like ethereal and pretty. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Glitter Rock right here. I'm gonna put it on the outer part. It's like you don't even need anything else. This is not sponsored, by the way. Like, I feel like I'm a a commercial for Urban Decay right now. It's not sponsored or anything. I just think these are literally my favorite thing Urban Decay's ever come out with. I love them. I love it. I think it's beautiful. Next, I have a new mascara. Haha! This right here is actually from the drugstore. It is from L'Oreal and it is the Air Volume Mega Mascara. So we're gonna try this today. I'm actually gonna go ahead and quickly do my brows off camera real fast. So I'll come right back to you as soon as I do that and we'll do the brows. We'll do the mascara. All right, I'm back and ooh. I haven't even looked at this mascara wand or anything yet. So I don't know why I don't know why I assumed it was gonna be like a small, thin kind of wand. No, she's chunky. Okay, so I've heard really good things about this mascara. It had really good ooh, wow, it had really good reviews on the website as well, and it's drugstore. So, guys. I don't want to talk about it. I'm the CEO of getting mascara on my eyelids. I am so not mad at this mascara, you guys. There's been so many mascaras I feel like I've tried in the past month and I'm always just like, I don't like it. It's not as good as this one. And I'm like really complaining a lot, you know? This one, this is drugstore, you guys. I think this mascara was like $10. This is actually a pretty nice mascara. I'm not mad at it. It is quite a wet formula. So if you don't like a wet formula, then you may not like this. And it does take a little bit longer to dry compared to the Marc Jacobs. But the thing is, the Marc Jacobs mascara is like, how much is it? I need to know. Oh, hey, it's actually on sale right now for $16. I might need to get a backup. But it's normally $27 for this mascara. And then the L'Oreal one is $14. So like, definitely a big price difference there. And I have to say, this mascara is pretty darn good. I really, really like it. All right, you guys. So that's that. We're almost done. I don't have a new lip product really to try out, but I did try out the this right here. But like as for an actual lip color, I don't really have a new one to do, so I might just do a tried and true, like one that I like a lot. I'm actually gonna go ahead and just have a little fun. I'm gonna put a star on my face. I haven't used this yet. I got this from Milk Makeup quite a while ago, and I love their little stamps. I wish I would have gotten a heart, but it's really cute. So there's that. I just think the little stars are just so cute. Anyways, so there's that. And then as for lip color, I think maybe we'll do this one just because I feel like this is kind of more of a springtime look. So I swear, I love the Lancome packaging. Just looks really, really cool. So I know I should be using a lip liner, but honestly, I could not be bothered right now. It's such a really pretty color. Like, it's just a beautiful color. I like it a lot. But yeah, you guys, here is the finished look with the full face of first impressions that we did use today. I'll have to say, I don't think there was one thing in this first impressions that I did not like. Again, this right here was not my favorite thing, only because I got the wrong color shades. Like, I got the wrong shades. I will be trying it again. I loved the blush. I take it back when I say that it wasn't my favorite because I love the blush. The blush is beautiful in my opinion. The primer, where'd it go? Hello? I actually think I quite like it. It definitely did blur out my pores and it made everything look a lot smoother, but my face doesn't feel like super dry or anything like that like it would normally if I used a silicone-based primer. I'm actually not mad at this. I will have to keep trying it out just to make sure that it works over like long periods of wear or something, but overall, so far, I do like it. On my first impressions, I think that it's a pretty good primer. This cute little roller ball from ColourPop is the cutest little thing. I love this, of course. The only thing is that I maybe just wish the formula was like a tad thicker, but if it was thicker, you may not be able to get it out of the roller ball. You know, I like thicker lip glosses. This genuinely, like the formula and everything, reminds me of the 90s, very thin lip gloss. So I don't hate it. I do think it's really cute, so I will keep using it. And then this mascara, you guys, I really like this a lot. I am shocked by this mascara. I love it a ton. I think it's really pretty, and for being drugstore, it's like $14. So if you are in the market, it is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. So I'm definitely into that. These two single shadows from Urban Decay, my favorite. I have to say, I think these are literally my favorite things that Urban Decay comes out with. Their palettes are fine and all, but like, these are where it's at, you guys. I love these. Again, this one is in Glitter Rock and this one is in Space Cowboy. I think this video was a win. There wasn't really anything that I didn't like. So that's gonna be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!